Hello, I am Kurban Ali, the founder of Mehran Stairlift. Mehran Stairlift is an initiative to install stairlift for people having locomotive disorder, disabilities and or old age. Currently, we are being incubated at NEP NIC Jamshoro, which has been an immense assistance in easing our progress. They have provided guidance for mentoring and helped us to build an appropriate team. They have also given us a suitable workplace and provided legal support.
According to the World Health Organization, there are 785 million people in the world and 32 million people in Pakistan who have disabilities. Due to high cost and extensive space requirements, installing elevators and escalators is not feasible in Pakistan.
We are pleased to present Mehran Stairlift, which is cost efficient and can be made from local materials in Pakistan. It has unique features like step counter, luggage carrier, digital display and Android control. We have completed minimum viable product which is installed in electronics department at MUT Jamshoro. Mehran Stairlift has won National Idea Bank Award. It has been shortlisted in Prime Minister National Innovation Award, has received funds from Engineers Project in Community Service to make 10 stairlifts for community service. Looking forward for a successful business career. Thank you.